How to fix Roblox something went wrong, please try again later error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. If not your Wi-Fi network, you can switch to your cellular data as well. After that, you can just go to the Play Store application and search for Roblox application so that you can assure that you have an updated version of the application on your device. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back and make a long press on Roblox application over here. So just make a long press on Roblox, then tap on app info. Now you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So you can just tap on that and you can clear cache, and if possible you can clear all data as well. Then go to the app permission, make sure that you toggle on all the required options over here. Right now it is not allowed, so you just make sure that you toggle on all these options to allow. After that, you can try again and your issue will be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.